Let's prepare this backyard for a Tuff Shed company to come out and build a 10 by 12 by 12 single slope shed with double doors. A little bit of grading is needed, not too much. First step here is some insulation. Rock wool, safe and sound, attic, and wall. Every corner of this shed is going to get some. Here I am noticing that the corners don't have backing for the drywall, all four corners. So change order is coming. I'm going to need 8 2x4 by 12s, of course, with some screws. So a few extra $100 coming my way. Oh yeah. So once we get the insulation in every nook and cranny inside this shed, it should look something similar to this. All I used was a nice sharp knife to cut through it and a tape measure. That's all you need. I don't like to use a box cutter blade or a utility knife. I use an actual steak knife, so cuts through it a lot easier. Of course, right here, you can't forget the spray foam. Next, we have is drywall. We have some special drywall for the walls. It's going to be some quiet rock, 1/2 inch. I think these are about close to $80 a sheet. And then we're going to have the ceiling is going to be a normal gold bond 5/8 inch purple, mold resistant, right? I think in the corner somewhere they're going to have some kind of drum set or something, so it reduces the noise. Now this here is the third coat of the mud. First coat was to put the tape, sanded it down. Second coat was to cover the tape lining and the grooves, sand it down. Third coat is this right here. Add another sand, and then let's get the priming. So once we get the priming, ain't nothing to it. It's just one coat primer and purchase some paint with some primer in it. And we put 2 coats of that. After each coat, I do a light sand, let it dry all the way. It's the way I like to do it. It comes out nice and crisp. Once the walls are nice and finished and painted, it looks like they were dipped. It's gonna look something like this. Ain't nothing better than a freshly painted room. Looks very nice. Very proud of myself. I want to show you here this hole for the ceiling light. Nice and cut. No need for mud. Beautiful. Next is going to be the floors. We have some planks. This is the vapor barrier or the moisture barrier. These planks are the luxury planks, so they come with the vapor barrier on the bottom. So we technically didn't need the other one, but it was purchased already, so might as well use it. This took me about a few hours by myself, and everything went pretty smooth. Used about 4 or 5 boxes. Next, I have the wife here helping me with some baseboards. Gotta earn your keep. Once these baseboards are done, we're gonna add a little bit of some Alex to the top, make it look smooth, and then get some paint on these baseboards. I come with the brush first and then back roll it with the small roller, and this is how it looks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you want to see a little more of this type of content, just click on one of these videos right here, and we're going to have a lot more to come. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck out there.